This is how to check your inventory manager and to see how much inventory you have left and how much you've sold. So you click on that. Here, at every point in time, you hit the refresh button. Everything pops up. You see you have 100 bags. So pretty much just your products that pops up. Your services are they're not products, and you can see at this side that you had 100 worth 300,000. You sold one. You have 99 left, and you have the closing inventory amount. Another thing that you can do is to just come here and click on what you want to see. Let's assume you have, maybe 100 of them or just 50. You can just click on what you want to see, and it tells you you have, ending inventory of 99. That way, you can actually, go after uh, whatever you can actually do a count and confirm what you have physically that it ties to your ending inventory at 99. So this is as easy as that. You can also just click on bags here to see, this is what you have that you bought. This is what you've sold. This is just, another slicer for you to click on. And every time you hit the refresh button, it does the magic for you. So, that's how this works. Hope it's really helpful. Then you can just return to the guidance this way. That's it. Easy peasy.